Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up Registrant Contact in domain contact presets on NameCheap. So for that guys, first of all, you will need to log into your account on your desktop. Now get to the top right corner, here select account, now select profile. Now scroll down, select tools. Now scroll down again, select this option domain contacts presets manage button. Here you can see this category called Registrant Contact. Now select its scroll down icon, select one of these options and then scroll down till the last, and right here select on this button right here called save changes. And that's how you guys can successfully set up your Registrant Contact in your domain contacts presets on NameCheap. And that's it for the video guys. So if you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.